Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your go-to channel for the latest and most thrilling rides on the road. Today, we're diving into the bold, powerful, and luxurious world of the 2025 BMW X5 M, a performance SUV that blends brute force with refined elegance like no other in its class. If you're looking for a family-friendly SUV that roars like a sports car and looks like a beast in a tuxedo, the X5M might just be your dream machine. The 2025 BMW X5M is the high-performance version of BMW's already popular midsize luxury SUV, the X5. But this isn't just any SUV. With the M badge, it transforms into a precision-engineered powerhouse tuned by BMW's elite M division. Built to dominate both city streets and winding roads, the X5M offers an intense driving experience without compromising on luxury, space, or cutting-edge tech. From the outside, the 2025 X5M is an absolute head-turner. BMW has sharpened the design for 2025, giving it a more aggressive and muscular stance. The kidney grills are larger and more angular, flanked by sleek laser headlights that carve through the night. Deep air intakes on the front bumper scream performance, while the sculpted body lines flow smoothly into a redesigned rear that houses quad exhaust pipes and a subtly integrated roof spoiler. Sitting on massive 21-inch front and 22-inch rear alloy wheels, the X5M looks like it's ready to pounce even when parked. Step inside and the luxury continues. The cabin is a blend of sportiness and sophistication, with premium materials everywhere you look. Merino leather upholstery comes standard, and carbon fiber or aluminum trim adds to the M-exclusive feel. The redesigned curved display now combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, running BMW's iDrive 8.5 system. It's fast, intuitive, and loaded with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and voice control. And yes, the X5M also comes with a Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system that turns every ride into a concert. Under the hood lies the real magic. The 2025 BMW X5M is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This setup churns out a jaw-dropping 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. That power is delivered through an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission and BM's iDrive all-wheel drive system, which has been calibrated specifically for M performance. The result, a 0 to 60 mph sprint in just 3.7 seconds. That's supercar territory in an SUV. Whether you're launching off the line or cruising at high speeds, the X5M offers blistering performance with precise handling and adaptive suspension that adjusts to every curve and surface. Of course, BMW hasn't forgotten about safety and convenience. The 2025 X5M comes packed with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, front collision warning, and a 360-degree surround view camera. It's as smart as it is fast. There's also plenty of cargo space and room for 5 adults, making it just as practical as it is thrilling. Pricing for the 2025 BMW X5M starts around $125,000, which positions it in the upper tier of the luxury SUV segment. But when you consider the combination of performance, tech, comfort, and prestige, it becomes clear what you're paying for. An SUV that doesn't compromise, and one that wears the iconic M badge with pride. It's not just about getting from point A to B. It's about how it feels when you press that start button and hear the V8 come alive. So if you're looking for an SUV that balances brute strength with premium luxury and everyday usability, the 2025 BMW X5M stands in a class of its own. From city streets to open highways, it delivers an unmatched driving experience. Thanks for watching Auto Vibes. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 BMW X5M, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews, insights, and updates from the world of cars. Until next time, stay tuned and stay driven.